YouTubers, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. My name is Caitlin Varney. I'm a licensed esthetician in California, Oregon, as well as Washington for the last 4 years, and I love working with skin as well as makeup. Now, as Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics came out, it's a brand new brand, and I'm a brand new YouTube channel, so I thought what better way to restart my vamp here than by doing a product review on her very first product. Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipsticks. I first and foremost want to address the issues that people are having. If you're having an issue with your product, if it arrived damaged, she has put out notice that yes, there are some inconsistencies that occurred during her launch. Contact her, she will replace it. None of these ingredients in here though are going to be harmful. So if you received a damaged product, just send it back, get your new one, and you guys, we're talking some seriously quality ingredients. I love what she's put into this product. It's got mango butter dimer esters. We've got caprylic triglyceride. We've got shea butter. I mean, the list goes on and on. Almost all of these ingredients, if they have to do with emolliency, also have to do with the suppleness of the skin and maintaining that softness. So seeing that, I got really excited as I looked through ingredient by ingredient, and I did go through ingredient by ingredient. I determined whether it was a hazard for skin irritation, carcinogenic issues, or the environment. And the only ingredient that really came back with any issue was silica, which is an ingredient known throughout the cosmetic industry to have mild irritation to the skin, but it's also in almost every single product. Go pull out some stuff from your bag, and I bet you at least 5 of them have silica. So with that being said, I am giving a stamp of approval to the ingredient list here. She put some real time into this. She put some real effort into making sure that it was exactly what she said it was going to be, which is a hydrating, creamy, beautiful product. Now, once we get past the ingredients and whether it's safe, which yes, in my opinion, I'm giving it a stamp of approval, let's go on to opening the box. I received the boxes. I did the Nude Moment Lip Trio. This is what the individual lipstick boxes look like. I really enjoy the packaging. I think it's that very classic, modern, it's classic meets modern glam. It's just pretty, quilted, shiny. So once we open the packaging, this is what it looks like. I was very happy with this because as someone who hates the texture of glitter, I really thought that was going to be an issue here. Even though she said that it was going to be something that didn't come off in your hands and it was high quality. Was it? Is it? That was me as I watched her swatching. I really thought that we were going to have that bumpy texture that you get when you have a high gloss glitter, but I was surprised pleasantly. This is a very smooth product box. You don't have any texture to it at all. It feels like you're touching, you know, any other type of a box for a lipstick. Just very smooth, very high quality. Next thing I noticed, the lid. Now, y'all, I really don't try to be rough on my stuff, but I can't help it. I'm a smasher. I just smash that lid on there so hard. I do it way too much. It's horrible. Don't do it. Don't be like me. But if you're like me, rest assured, I have been smashing this lid for a week and a half, and I'm telling you, this sucker does not feel like it's going to crack, which is very exciting for me because I have cracked several lids for lipsticks, and it's absolutely one of the most frustrating things because now you can't trust that lipstick to be in your purse. So once we opened the package, the next thing I noticed was how nice and smooth this lipstick goes up and down in its container. It doesn't shake. You don't feel it twisting at all, which can sometimes happen with lower quality. And that can, of course, lead to the product then kind of coming out crooked. Now it's going to get damaged, and it's a whole mess. Did not feel that with this, and I'm really pleased to say that even though it's been 97 degrees the past several days, this sucker is not sweating. It hasn't started to melt. Some of my other lipsticks have, which was a disappointment because your girl don't have air conditioning and I don't want to replace my shiz, but I don't have to replace this one. So all in all, I'm really happy with this product. I'm happy with the quality of the ingredients that she's putting in. I really feel like they're quite hydrating. I don't feel like, you know, even I'm doing this right now, the product feels dry on my lips, but my lips don't feel dry. It really feels like a second skin on top of your skin, and it's just a really fantastic feeling for someone who's had dry lips and doesn't feel like there's many products out there that I can wear without having that issue. You know, a lot of the time I'll just go with the lip gloss because lipsticks just dry them out too much for me. And after wearing this for a week and a half, my lips are not feeling dry at all. Normally, after a week and a half of wearing a lipstick, my lips are going to look cracked, they're going to be dry, they're going to be flaky, I could literally peel pieces off. It's rough for my lips. So, all in all, I am giving the Jaclyn Hill lips a stamp of approval from an esthetician. That's right, stamp of approval. I'm really excited to do that. I, of course, love Jaclyn Hill. I really hoped that I would like these, but I kind of, I wasn't as happy with her Gerard Cosmetic lipsticks as I wanted to be back in the day when she launched those. So I kind of had that sickening feeling like, ooh, I don't know, I don't think I'm going to like these. But at the end of the day, they're so hydrating. She has so many ingredients in there that are really going to help the suppleness of your skin that I just don't have the same problem with this formula that I had with those ones. And even having those problems, those are some of my favorite lipstick colors. So I was very excited that this one is very reminiscent. It's almost as if her Buttercup and 1995 had a baby. Like, that's what I feel like Perfectionist is. Oh, I'm sorry, that girl. That girl is the baby. I love it. So again, shout out to Jaclyn Hill. You're doing it, girl. You're doing the dream. Congratulations on your products. If you want to put me on that PR list, I'd love to be there. And otherwise, you guys, these are good. They're solid. And I'm really excited to say that. If you are still concerned, purchase. If there's something wrong, send it back. She has said that she wants everybody to be 100% satisfied. Make sure you understand the return policy ahead of time. But my products came perfectly fine. There was no issues, no hairs. And after a week and a half of using them, my lips are still very happy. You guys, it's been so much fun to give you my very first product review. If you have any comments or concerns, questions about the ingredients, go ahead and leave them right below. If you liked this video, give me that thumbs up. And I am brand new to this YouTubing thing, so go ahead and subscribe down below as well. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Stay elevated. Go ahead and go smoke a joint. Enjoy the summer. And I'll talk to you next time. Okay, it's too hot. It's too hot to think. That's where I'm at in my day, y'all. It's too hot to think. I'm not even wearing pants. Are you wearing pants? Because I'm not. Okay, anyway, let's focus in. Not gonna lie. Pants aren't worth it. Pants aren't worth it.